Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com Pulses. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work in one place. And Pulses are the core building blocks of this platform. To get started with Pulses, first you need to understand what they are. Pulses are essentially items or tasks that can be created, assigned, and tracked within the Monday.com platform. They can represent anything from a project task to a customer, and they can be customized to fit the specific needs of your team. To create a pulse, navigate to your Monday.com dashboard and click on the plus icon. This will open a new window where you can enter the details of the pulse, including the name, description, and assignee. You can also add tags, due dates, and dependencies to the pulse, which will help you to organize and prioritize your work. Once you have created a pulse, you can add it to a board, which is a visual representation of your workflow. Boards are made up of groups and columns, and pulses can be moved between these columns as they progress through the workflow. For example, you might have a board for a marketing project, with groups for planning, creation, and launch, and columns for to-do, in progress, and done. Pulses can also be customized with a wide range of fields and widgets, including text, numbers, dates, and more. This allows you to capture all the relevant information about each pulse, and to display it in a way that is easy to understand. For example, you might add a text field to capture notes about a customer, or a number field to track the budget for a project. In addition to creating and customizing pulses, you can also use Monday.com to automate workflows and integrate with other tools. For example, you can set up automations to move pulses between columns when certain conditions are met, or to send notifications to team members when a pulse is updated. You can also integrate Monday.com with other tools, such as Google Drive or Slack, to bring all your work into one place. Best practices for using pulses include keeping them concise and focused on a single task or item, using clear and descriptive names and tags, and regularly updating the status and details of each pulse. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of Monday.com pulses, and use them to streamline your workflow and improve your team's productivity. In conclusion, Monday.com pulses are a powerful tool for managing work and workflows, and can be customized and automated to fit the specific needs of your team. By understanding how to create, customize, and use pulses, you can unlock the full potential of the Monday.com platform, and take your team's productivity to the next level.